What's up, Anahuac? This is Williamtjrealty back again for another episode of Near You, Chambers County. As your local real estate agent, I travel all over the county to interview some of the local businesses, put them on the spotlight, and learn more what they have to offer. Today, we're in Four Corners Tires at Anahuac, Texas, so let's dive right in. So I'm sitting here with Lisa Such at Four Corners Tires. How's it going, Lisa?
It's going great.
All right, so what is this brand about?
Four Corners Tires. Well, we're the only tire shop here in Anahuac, and we're just do tires and inspections. We haven't added any other services yet.
Gotcha. What is the background and the history of the business?
Funny story. Okay. My husband actually came up here 2.5 years ago. Well, 2 years and a couple months ago to buy tires.
Yeah.
3 weeks later, we bought the business. I worked a regular job. My husband works at Enterprise. He wanted me to have something here in town that I could do because we have a son that goes to school here. He came home that day from getting tires, and he said, "Hey, the tire shops are selling." I'm like, "So, what do I know about tires? I don't know anything." He said, "Well, maybe we should talk about it." So we met with Nathan the very next day, the person we bought it from, and 3 weeks later we bought it. That was 2 years and 3 months ago.
Seems like you're doing good.
Yes, sir.
So where are you located?
We're at 812 Miller Street in Anahuac, Texas.
Do you guys have any special programs going on from time to time?
We don't really have actual special programs. The only thing we do offer our customers, if they buy a full set of tires, all four at one time, they get free rotations every 5,000 miles, and they get a free flat repair. If they run over a screw or a nail, we fix it for free.
Right.
They have to buy all four at one time to get that special.
Okay, that's nice. That comes in handy.
Yes, sir.
What separates Four Corner Tires from the others?
Us and our employees, our people. We have the best there is around. I get emotional when I think about what we've been through, but we have the best employees now that we've ever had anytime.
Yeah.
They take care of us, they take care of our customers, care of our business.
Yeah.
Nothing beats what we have now.
Yeah. Small town, everybody knows.
Everybody knows
Yeah.
everybody, and everybody knows these people right here are the best thing that's ever happened.
How can someone get in contact with you if they wanted to?
They can call us at 409-267-4444. That's 4444 goes with Four Corner Tires. That's why we named it that. And they can email us at fourcornertires@yahoo.com, or actually just come by 812 Miller Street and see us.
All right. Do y'all have any social media handles or anything?
We are on Facebook. We are listed as Four Corner Tires on Facebook, but
Okay.
we don't have a website or anything. We are
All right.
working on adding that.
All right.
Okay.
So Lisa, thanks so much for doing this interview.
Thank you so much for coming out.
Thank you. Thanks so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this episode, please remember to like, share, and comment to spread your information about this local business. Also, remember to join our Near You Chambers County Facebook group to share what's going on near you and to help grow the community. See you next time. Thanks for watching. If you're a local Chambers County business and you would like to be featured on a future episode of Near You, or if you're a person looking to buy or sell a property in Chambers County, give us a call at 281-683-2654 or submit a form on williamtjrealty.com. See you next time.